Good morning. Welcome to the Seniors Get Up and Go channel. This is our morning stretch and wake up session. We're going to go for about 10 minutes and just loosen up our body before we get started with all of our daily activities. Not a lot of exercise, but it's important to loosen up. So I want you to get comfortable in nice comfortable clothes if you aren't. And then when you're ready, start to watch the video. The class begins like this. Stand straight, feet about shoulder width apart. Then we're going to first concentrate on just loosening up our head and neck. So let's lift the head back, and down, and up and back, and down. Slowly up, and back down, and that's that. Now we're going to turn our head to the side, looking over the shoulder. Let's start looking at the left side first. Come around to the right, and look to the left, and come around to the right. And one more time, we're going to look over that left shoulder, come back around, look over the right shoulder, and back to the middle. Alright, the next warm-up is tilting the head. We're going to try it as if we were putting our ear on our shoulder. So, relax. You might have your knees bent just a little bit. You might be a little more comfortable. And now tilt your left ear towards your left shoulder, and then come up. And now put your right ear towards your right shoulder, and come on back up. Left ear down to the left shoulder, come on back up. And the right ear down to the right shoulder. Very good. One more time on the left. Come back up. Down on the right. Very good. Back to the middle and relax. Now we're going to bend forward from the waist and just stretch our low back. So hang your hands down in front of you and just stretch forward a little bit. You can bounce lightly if you like, but just feel that pull in your low back, and then open your arms up and come up to the middle and back down. And one more time, stretch out the low back, the back of the legs, just a little, and come back up. Very good. And one more time down. And come back up. And relax. Now we're going to do a little movement with our arms and shoulders. So we're going to start by putting our hands facing out. And I want you to lift up like you're going to bring the palms of your hands together. That's one. And back down. Okay, hands face up. Come up over the head. And now this time, turn your hands and push them so they're going face down. And one more time, face out. And bring the hands up. And turn them and face down. Oh, this is a great way to wake up. Get everything moving, huh? Alright, now we're going to do arms and shoulders again. This time I want you to hold your arms straight out, hands face forward, and just make a small circle, small to medium circle, just like this. Okay, we're loosening up that shoulder and arm joint. And now we're going to go backward. Make the circle the other way. And let the arms come down. Breathe. When you breathe in, try to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. It's very relaxing. Now one more time, we're going to bring the arms out, palms facing out, and let's make a circle forward. And now backward. And let the arms come down. and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Oh boy, we're getting woke now. Okay, so now you're waking up. Now we're going to try a side bend. What you're going to do is put your left hand on your thigh, take your right hand and bring it up. Your palm is face down and bring it right over the head and lean down over your left side, stretching the right side. Come back up. Turn the right hand down. The left hand is up. And we go over and stretch the left side this time. Very good. And come back up. And now we reverse the hands again. The right palm is turned up. Left hand down. And then come back up. Reverse the hands. The right hand is down. The left hand goes over the top. And we stretch out that left side. And come back up. Very good. Nice. Now we're going to do a little twist. Open your legs up, bend your knees. Bring your elbows up about shoulder height. You can keep your hands together, please. And just twist. Look over the back. Come back around, keep your hands together. Look over the right shoulder and twist. Come back around. Left side twist. Come back around. Right side twist. Come back around. One more time to the left. Oh, just wake that body up. Come on. Twist around to the right. There you go. Very nice. Drop your arms. Take your breath in. We're going to try a little bending again. This time what we're going to do is we're going to try it in two moves. One, you're going to put your hands to your knees, then down to your toes, back to your knees, and back up. Okay? So, take your hands out to the side, bring them down to the knees, bend forward, then down to the toes, back to the knees, and come back up. And breathe. One more time now, down to the knees, down to the toes, up to the knees, back out, and down. And we'll do it one more time. Hands out, down to the knees, down towards the toes, back up to the knees, out to the side, and down. Very nice. This time I want you to stretch your right foot out a little. And we're going to bend the right knee forward and stretch the inside of the left leg. So slowly bend your right knee and you'll feel the inside of the left stretch and come up. Now bend your left knee and stretch the inside of your right leg. And come up. Right knee bends. This one. Stretch here. Come up. Left knee bends. Stretch to the right. Come up. Right knee bends. Left side gets stretched. Left side bends. Right side gets stretched. And come up. Very good. Now we're going to do a little move where we stand for a moment on one foot. So, bring your left foot in front of you. Okay? And now lift and down. Lift and down. Lift and down. Switch feet. Put your right foot in front of you. Put your weight on your left leg. Lift the right leg and down. Lift the right leg and down. And one more time, lift the right leg and down. Very good. Get used to putting our feet one foot at a time, balancing. Very nice. Now we're going to do a little more work with the shoulders. I want you to put your left arm straight out. Bring your right hand underneath the left elbow and pull the left elbow around. Stretch that left elbow. Bring it back around Switch arms. The right arm is straight. Left hand holds the elbow. Stretch the right shoulder. Very good. Bring the right arm back out. Switch the arms. The left arm is straight. Right hand underneath. Stretch. Very good. Come back around. Switch the arms. Right arm is straight. Left hand underneath the right arm. Stretch. Very good. Bring it back around and relax. Now we're going to do a little deep breathing as we stretch. Turn your hands face out. And we're going to lift our arms up over our head. Take in a big breath. Ready? Now turn your hands and blow out. Turn your hands up. Breathe in. Turn your hands out and blow out. One more time. Hands out, lift up. Turn them out and down. Okay, and relax. Very good. So now we have loosened up our legs, our shoulders, our arms, chest, and back. You're ready for the new day. Just a nice little stretch out for the morning. And now please enjoy your day, and I'll see you again tomorrow.